Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show how to move columns in Excel in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to drag column in Microsoft Excel, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To move columns in Excel, first of all, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once you're on Excel, open a new worksheet where you want to move the column. I am going to move this total marks column to rearrange the order of data in this worksheet. Now, click on the letter header of the column you want to move. The entire column will be selected. You can also select multiple columns by clicking and dragging across their headers. After selecting the column, move your cursor to the edge of the selected column until it changes into a four-sided arrow icon. Now, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click and drag the selected column to the location where you want to move it. You'll see a bold outline appear between two columns, indicating the new location. Release the mouse button first, then release the Shift key. The column will be moved, and existing columns will shift accordingly to make space.